Osprey is one of the largest birds of prey in North America. It hunts mainly on live fish. That's why it is sometimes referred to as sea hawk or river hawk. With an impressive wingspan over 5 feet, it can take off vertically and hover in mid-air to hunt fish. The Boeing V-22 Tilt-Rotor aircraft, the world's most versatile aircraft, was named after the Osprey. The V-22 Osprey can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, hover in mid-air like a bee, carry heavy cargo over long distance, and top speed up to 351 miles per hour.